Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to study how to express any non-terminating repeating terms in the form of P by Q. How to express any non-terminating repeating number. These three are non-terminating repeating numbers. We are going to express this in the form of P by Q. So let us start without wasting much time. Express this 0.6 bar in the form of P by Q. So what we need to suppose? Suppose x is equals to 0.6666 and so on we have to write down. So this is in that form only. Bar means 6 is repeated several times, infinite time you can say. So we had expressed in that form. Take it as a result. Now we have to see on how many term bar is here. Only on one number bar is here, so we have to multiply with 10. If we were having bar on 2 term, then we have to multiply with 100. If we were having bar on 3 term, in that condition we have to multiply with 1000. So just we need to see on how many number bar is there. So bar is on 1 term, so we are going to multiply with 10. Multiplying both sides by 10. So 10 multiply with x will give you 10x, and 10 multiply with this 0.66, one decimal will come here, so you can say 6.666 and so on. Just one decimal will go back when you multiply 10 with this. Take it as a result number. Now what you need to do, you need to subtract smaller from the bigger one. So subtracting 1 from bigger term is 2. So now let me write down here 10x equals to, this is bigger, 10x is equals to 6.666 and so on, and x is equals to, now you need to match this decimal point, this will be 0.666. When you will subtract this 10x minus 1x, 10x minus 1x will give you 9x, and here this will get cancelled, this minus this, 6 minus 0 will be 6. So your x will be 6 by 9, that will be 2 by 3. So you can say 0.6 bar in the form of P by Q will be 2 by 3. So this way we can express any non-terminating repeating number in the form of P by Q. Moving to the next question. Okay, second one. Express 0.57 bar. Bar is only on 7, not on 57. Just you need to keep in mind. So now I am going to express this as x equals to 0.5777 and so on. As I told you that bar is on 1 term, so multiply with 10. If bar is on 2 term, then we have to multiply with 100. Bar is on 3 term, then we have to multiply with 1000. But here bar is only on 1 term, so multiplying both sides by 10. So 10 into x, again 10x, and 10 into this, so one decimal will go back, so you will get 5.7777. Take this as result number 1, take this as result number 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2. 1 from 2. So what you will get? 10x equals to 5.777 and so on, and x is equals to 0.577 and so on. So when you will subtract, here you need to keep in mind this will be 9x, 10x minus 1x, but here this will only get cancelled because all are equal. Here you will get 7 minus 5, 2 after decimal, and before 5 minus 0 will be 5. So your x will be 5.2 by 9. But you need to remove this decimal also. So this will become 52 by 90. And still you can reduce by cancelling 2 2s are and 2 6s are and 2 4s are 8 and 5s are 45. Further, if you can cancel, you can, but I think 13 2s are, and here we cannot, 5 will come, so we cannot cancel it here. So this is the reduced form. So you can write down 0.57 bar is equals to 26 by 50. Okay, moving towards the third question. This, before solving this, let me tell you guys, I am also taking free live lectures on Unacademy app. So how you can join me there? Just you need to download Unacademy app, register with your mobile number, select the goal JEE NEET Foundation and NTSC. Guys, this is for class 8 to 12. All the students of 8 to 12 can join in this JEE NEET Foundation and NTSC. And you need to use referral code Galaxy Coaching for free classes, guys. For free classes also Galaxy Coaching, and for paid classes, means for plus subscription also, you need to use Galaxy Coaching. That will give you 10% discount, guys. So please, if you find it good, first join for free classes, and if you find it good, then go for plus subscription also, guys. Let us solve this. Okay, so for this again you need to write down x is equals to 2 point. Now bar is on two term, 3 and 4. So 3 4 3 4 3 4 and so on will come. Now here bar is on 2 terms, so we have to multiply with 100. Multiplying both sides by 100. As I told you, only you need to see bar is on how many terms. So if you will multiply 100 into x will give you 100x, and 100 into this, so 2 decimal will go on back side, so you will get 234.3434 and so. Take it as result number 1, take it as result number 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2, smaller number minus from bigger number, so 100x equals to 234.3434 and so on. Now you need to match the decimal, guys. Here x will come here, but I had seen many students are writing here 2.34. Guys, you need to match the decimal, so 2 will come here, 0.3434 and so on. Now if you will subtract this, you will get 99x, 100x minus 1x, 99x, and this all will get cancelled. And here 4 minus 2, 2, 3. So your value of x will be 232 by 99. So now can you cancel this? Oh no, we cannot cancel this. I think not divisible by 2 here. Okay, so this is the final answer, guys. So this way you can solve any non-terminating repeating term in the form of P by Q. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.